Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to fix a microphone. This is a microphone I've been using for a while. It's not that expensive, something new, but it got broken. Why? Because it's not original. Something, I wouldn't say fake, but something cheaper, but it helped me to work for a couple of months. Now the time I came, maybe somebody touched it and didn't say. When I do this tip, I find the wires are gone. So now the first step, you must get your lighter. Then you get these cables. There are two cables here, two wires, thin wires. So what you do, once you have them, because one is red, another one is green. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna switch on my flashlight. You can see one is red, one is green. So but there is some insulation there. So what you do, you light your lighter. You don't want to burn where they don't have to touch. I made a mistake, they don't have to touch. You light, and you light here at the beginning. You take out that color paint. You also light here, this side. You burn off that. Once all that is burned, you're gonna be fine. Okay, once it's fine, you're gonna get your soldering wire or cable. I'm gonna go somewhere. We do what I put that in electricity already. So I wanna take out this microphone. Take it out. I'm gonna go with it somewhere, and it won't be something easy. Okay, one thing also I have to do, I'm gonna do this, something simple for everyone to see. I'm gonna open this microphone. You can see the housing, break it. The microphone itself is that, you get me? So I'm gonna put the wires back here and here. So the guys who did this, what they did, they were supposed to tie the cable here so that when you pull it out, it does not just come off these terminals. So I'm gonna get you tools which I'm going to use. Okay, this is one of the tools we're gonna use. We're gonna put this. You're gonna use this wire. You can see the wire. Then we solder here. We use soldering wire and the soldering cable. So that won't be that easy to do, but it can be done. I'm gonna do it. You're gonna see how I do it. It's not that hot, but what we can do, we can try something like this. Guess you can see what I'm trying to do. Okay. Oh, it fell down. Yeah, it's fine. So we get that. It can stick there. It's fine. You must be careful. You don't have to burn yourself, since this could be your first time to do this. You don't have to burn yourself. Next time you blame me. It's not that risky, but okay, I put it somewhere. You can see what I've done. Okay, so I'm gonna put the wire there. Okay. Okay. When you put in the wire, guys, you have to be patient. You put it, you make it sure. You make sure it doesn't go off. I put on the first wire. I'm gonna get you the second wire, which is not something easy. Okay. Okay. Yeah, put in the second wire there. I'm sure you're not seeing everything, but it's gonna make sense after when I'm done. Yeah. Okay, I guess you can see this. To slide the camera a bit. I wouldn't say this is something easy. It's not easy. especially if you're working in a net in a tight corner. Everything okay. Guess you can see that I've done that. Now I'm gonna just test my microphone. You just have to say when it get broken, don't think like always you have to buy a new one. You can use a soldering cable wire and this machine, the soldering machine to solder that, then you're fine. So that is fine, guys. My microphone is working again, so I put the two wires back. This is what the tool you needed to use. You need to use this and you need to use this. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.